This is our Samsung refrigerator, the one that I just told you guys about. The reason why I couldn't close my refrigerator door in my drawers below there, because of this block of ice. It's about, an inch, maybe 2 inches thick here at the bottom. But yes, this is our Samsung fridge. That's our model number. And this is why it doesn't work. And this is what we've talked to Samsung about numerous times, and they say that there's nothing wrong with it. But if, as you can see, as I can, there's a lot wrong with it. And they just don't really seem to care about us, the consumer, that has the problems of their products that we spend good money on. So Samsung, I will never buy another product of yours again, nor will I recommend it to any of my friends. And this is the fridge that I'm talking about. Yes, our crappy Samsung refrigerator. I do this about every 6 to 8 months, but yet again, they say there's nothing wrong with it. This is Chris Stymack live with Samsung's piece of crap fridge.